Now, there was a concerning article in last Sunday's Business Post by Michael Brennan detailing that correspondence had been sent to the President of the National Road Haulage Association in relation to continued interference with the work of safety officers and warning that that should cease and that there should be no interference, no 45-minute phone calls with safety inspectors. I think you would have to agree, Taoiseach, that that's something you wouldn't approve of, and I would like your confirmation and clarification that's something that you would be concerned about. But given the role and work of the Road Safety Authority, it has worked. No matter what people, the Road Safety Authority has been a success story. It has saved lives and has reduced injury. The CEO wrote the letter to the person concerned. And irrespective of anything that's going on, that's something that needs to be stamped out. It's like people ringing a Garda saying you have no right to stop somebody.
Thanks, Deputy. I strongly support the work of the Road Safety Authority, and I did for over 3 years as Transport Minister. And I think that the Road Safety Authority should enforce the law. In relation to the Minister of Transport, I think you'd probably best raise that with him as a topical issue or perhaps as a private notice question.
Deputy.
I read it, but I don't have all the facts about it.
Deputy McDonald.
The Road Safety Authority is on the